Let's learn how to get story mode on TikTok. This is now relatively old update, and everyone should have story mode enabled already, but if you still don't have it, don't worry. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get it. This works both on iOS and Android device. First, let's open your TikTok application at starting page. You will see this big white plus button at the bottom. Tap on it. This will lead us to post mode. As you can see, I already have story mode enabled to reach it. Just click on story option or swipe right of your screen. For those who don't have it, don't worry. Solution is very easy. Just follow my steps now. So let's get out of TikTok and go to your App Store or Google Play, depends on what device you are using. For iOS users, swipe right from your home screen, click on App Library, and you should see App Store application at the top. After you've done that, find search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and go there now from here. Click on this big search bar at the top. There you want to type TikTok. You will get the search results. Just continue to click on TikTok. Now, if your TikTok is updated but you still don't have story mode, stay until the end of video. I will explain you what might caused it. Once you are here, you should see update option. That means your application isn't updated, and that probably why you don't have story mod yet. But the fix is very easy. Just click on blue update button and wait a few minutes until update finishes downloading. And now after you open TikTok, you should have story mode on your post section. For those who still don't have it but did update TikTok and already had their application updated, you should wait a couple days or weeks. Have in mind that TikTok Corporation doesn't update application at the same time in all regions. That means your region didn't get the story update yet, because some countries get updates first, and some get it later. So if you don't have story mode even after updating, you will just have to wait a little bit more and you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.